Here's one for you. When you want to make money, and you notice I didn't say if you want to make money, that's because what I'm about to tell you is about supplying what we like to call a natural super need product. A natural super need product is one that provides something that is necessary in order to preserve life for us humans. We know there is sunshine and food. Some would say natural herbs. But what we're talking about here today is water. Ah, yes, that enjoyable taste of fresh water, clean, tasty water. And we will never get enough of it. And this is a great thing because water is one of the biggest industries on this planet. So, at Money Moves, we just want to bring you some wonderful tips on becoming a distributor and bottler of fresh water, and how you can make great profits if you would dare to walk in this door of splendid business. We've got the tips for you. But before we do that, did you know that subscribers can get money too? Take just a few minutes to find out how, and then we'll get right to the video. Thanks. We're glad you're here. Check it out. We are subscriber blessers, and that's what we do. I know it's hard to believe that all you have to do is subscribe. Well, embrace it, believe it, it's true. You should subscribe because 5 subscribers are randomly chosen every week on Fridays. They are given a GoFundMe, and other subscribers simply load it up with cash. Be about it. Are you thinking there's more to it? Well, there's not. It's a real deal. We're gonna pick 5 people every week. After you've subscribed, then go to the comment box below and leave a comment that says, "I'm a subscriber blesser." After you do this, you can be chosen for the next week's Subscriber Blessers picks. You can be given a GoFundMe that will be active for 5 days for other subscribers to send you cash for any or no reason at all. It's true. And you too can give to other subscribers whenever you choose. So go ahead, go to the description box below to find the GoFundMe links for the 5 subscribers who've been chosen, and click to be a giver. And remember, if you're a subscriber, you can be next. If you're already a subscriber, you can click on our new video and simply leave us a new comment that says, "I'm a subscriber blessed." And we add you again to that amazing pool, giving you another chance to be selected. And you can do this week after week after week, over and over again. And this will go on and on and on. All you do is check in every week to see what we've got. It may be your name. You can check in every day to get info on those GoFundMes for our wonderful, awesome, lovely, intelligent subscribers. That's right, those that are making almost all the world rich these days. That's pretty much it. That's all. Oh, the money? Well, subscribers are givers to other subscribers. You can give anything, 99 cents or $9,999 or more, because subscribers like stuff too. You know, like stuff, like shiny things, and paid tuition, and paid off mortgages, or building a yurt in the countryside. Or, for those of you who don't know what a yurt is, it's like a luxury tent. That's swag. Are subscribers deserving of this? You know the answer, of course they are. And while you're here, watch a 5-minute clip to get a few ideas about money stuff, you know? How money works, insurance, stocks, and the list goes on. That's all. No, that's really all. Really. Why not subscribe? You can just click it. Click it. Click it. That's right. Great. Now that that's all done, be sure to check your notifications for a comment reply from us to let you know you've been selected as one of the 5 people to receive GoFundMes. Keep watching for their chance to be given cash. It's great. It's nice. It just feels right. Oh, one more thing. Be sure to be a giver to your fellow subscribers. You can be selected next. And we'll post a short interview on who got the cash. Okay, that's it. That's really it. That's all. Thanks for subscribing, and keep a lookout for your name on Subscriber Blessers. Hit that bell for all the new videos coming your way. So just keep living, smiling, enjoying, and more enjoying, full of enjoyment, and you get the gist. Like we said earlier, we invite you to take 5 minutes to check out Money Moves. 5 minutes of information that we all need to hear. This is a bonus from us to you, and you can really use this. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Money Moves.
So let's get started with the good stuff. One of the first things to do, if you've decided to start a water business, is understand the exciting importance of going water shopping. No, not shopping in a supermarket or any type of store, but you want to go shopping in countrysides. You want to find out where delicious water is running free. It may be a waterfall or a spring, or sometimes even, if you find good land, some people can dig a very deep well. So deep that the water is freshest and really healthy for you as well. Another thing about the water business is that you can enhance water. Usually there are natural flavors from fruits or minerals or vitamins that can be added to fresh, pure water that can be nourishing to the human body and refreshing and delicious. But many people enjoy a delightful, simple experience of drinking pure, fresh, clean water. So how do we get it? Well, you choose one of these things, a spring or a fall, a stream or a well, and you start there. You may be asking, what about the bottling process? Well, many choose plastic bottles. Then, there are some that are married to the glass bottle family because they believe it tastes freshest and that it is healthier for the body. Either one of these choices are always very profitable if you package it right. So how do we do it? Well, after you've found your water source and you've done the business, testing and the deal on it, then you want to get the professional water inspectors so that you would qualify for licensing in your state and county. The stipulations and the laws can differ according to your chosen region to install your water business. After you've done that, you need a facility. Now, some people start moderate and some start very large. It all depends on your budget. After you have constructed your facility, according to codes and laws in order to become a legal bottled water distributor, and you've decided if you're going to use glass or plastic bottles or both, then you need to come up with water processing and extra purifying techniques. Keep in mind that the #1 importance of the water industry is cleanliness. You would need a facility with all stainless steel tables and appliances. You may need water filtration systems, like reverse osmosis and intense filtration as well. They too must be regulated in almost all cities and counties. You need employees, and they must be uniformed for health and safety, to be sure that there would be no transferred contamination to your precious product. And remember, you have competition. Just be willing and ready to meet all of these requirements so that you would not have a problem in the future. Now, you've got to market it. Marketing is the big deal. Go for excellence, and you can win. The water industry rewards in a big way. So, enjoy the ride. And you've won. And that's straight from us here at Money Moves. Thank you for watching. The golden word of today is, remember, let your life be a flow of sunshine, smiles, water, and prosperity. Believe. And thank you for being a part of the Money Moves.
So, remember to subscribe, go down to the comment box, and let us know that you're a subscriber blesser. At that point, your name could be chosen, and you can keep entering the same way, week after week, and subscribers could be giving to your GoFundMe if you're chosen for that week. So, be about it. Click on any of our Subscriber Blessers videos, and you'll find a new Money Moves at the end of each one. Be sure to like and subscribe for a new Money Moves every week. Thanks for supporting our channel with your donations. We can keep it coming. See you next time on Subscriber Blessers.